Fastest way I know to get a product onto Amazon is to wholesale. So that's what I would do if I were in your shoes and I wanted to get my product on fast. If that's a criteria, that's what I would do. First off, of course, you're going to need to have ducks in a row. Goes without saying, you've got to get your ducks in a row, make sure everything's lined up, and of course that will speed your processes up and get you onto Amazon very, very quickly. So given that you've got that all sorted, then what I would do, let me just think about this, what I do. What I would do, well, actually, I know what, let's go back to Amazon, and let's use this because it's a good little thing for us. So Father's Day is coming up, and Father's Day is a big day on Amazon. Well, the lead up to it, should I say. It's a big holiday. A lot of folks shopping on Amazon for stuff for Father's Day. So let's go play Father's Day. Let's go find something for fathers to sell on Amazon. Let's go find something to wholesale to do that. So first up, we've got to decide on our marketplace. Let's say we're going to sell, for ease of doing this, in Australia. So we're going to sell in Australia on amazon.com.au. Got our ducks in a row. Next up, we want to go to, let me just pause my screen. We want to go to, oh, that's okay. I thought I maybe had some naughty stuff on there still, but I don't. We want to go find a product. So we're looking for a gift for Father's Day. We're going to wholesale this. So the obvious thing to do is find a gift fair where people, Australia and this year of course, where businesses go to showcase their goods for retail outlets. So this is a B2B venue. A gift fair is lots and lots of people selling B2B. And we are a business, we're in that B2B. So here's the top spot, Melbourne Gift Fair. All right, that's our very first one. So let's go and look at that. And this is a strategy that you can undertake, of course, for anything, but it just so happens to be Father's Day. So let's do that. Now, the thing you want to go look for is who's going to be exhibiting at the Reed Gift Fair. And here it is, exhibitor directory. Thanks so much for that. And you'll often find that that's on the websites. If it isn't on the 2018 one, then you can usually check who exhibited last year, 2017, and you'll find that information there. All right. So here's all the exhibitors for 2018. Let's go sort them all out. So here's a content type. We're going to do gifts because we want a gift for Father's Day. And what else have we got? Confectionery, licensed products, lifestyle, yada yada yada. Let's look at giftware. So now we're just looking at gifts in giftware. All right, so now we can go and find it. So now we've got all of these awesome people. Let me give you this link as well, ladies and gentle germs. Send to all, so you can play along with me, okay? Send to all, there you go. So now I'm just going to go and look for a supplier who we can wholesale from. That's what I'm looking for. Who can I buy some products offers? Well, AFN fishing, well, that could be cool. Lots of blokes love fishing. It's actually the most popular sport in Australia is fishing, so that could be a good place for us to start. I'll go and open that one up just there, so I've got it ready to go. Let's see what else I can find on this first page. All season homewares, well, probably not going to find a lot of gifts for blokes in homewares, although, you know, who knows, with single blokes nowadays making up a huge amount. But you tend to find, for guys, you want to put together packs. And IKEA actually have recently started doing this, where they put together a new apartment pack where you just get everything. It's the same kind of philosophy where when I go shopping for clothes, I'm kind of a one-shop guy. I know I'm just going to Canali. I'm going to go into Canali. I'm going to buy pretty much everything I need from the one shop. Bada boom, bada bing. I'm in there for an hour and I'm out again, okay? And it's the same thing with most things for guys. That's why IKEA started putting together these home packs where you just go in and buy everything you need all in one spot. All right, so what are these? Arnott's of Australia. Innovative things. Well, they look cool. What's that? Desktop USP LED lights, Ultraflex lights. So this is all lighting related things. No, I don't want to give you any feedback. UFS stars and moon projector with soothing sounds. Well, that looks pretty interesting. Let's see if their company profile means we can find their website. And hopefully that it's got their website on it. So loads and loads of stuff on it. No, but let's go instead. Go Google it. So now I'm just going to try and find, how do I get in touch with these people? How do I get in touch? Arnott's of Australia. Here they are. So I've now got their number to call to get the information I need, which is fantastic. Is that them there? Arnott's products. That's a biscuit company. Arnott's Australia. Not the biscuit company. That's fantastic. Not the biscuit company. So now I've got their website too. Arnott's Gadget Man. Fantastic. All right, so now I can get in touch with them and go and get my stuff. So next start of the process is, okay, well, we found this UFO, what is it? Stars and moon projector. Bit of a wacky gift, but you know, whatever. Let's see if it stacks up. Do people search for that sort of stuff? So to stack up, we're going to come to merchant words. What is it? It's like a moon projector. Let's just start with that. Moon projector. Let's see what comes up. Moon projector. 8,000 searches, 0 in Australia. So that is a bust. We're not interested in that, but it says moon and star projector. So let's try that. Star projector. Oh, well, that's a little bit more interesting. Star projector, 156,000 in America. What's about for Australia? 18,000 searches per month in Australia. Now that for me is enough for me to go after that. So that's pretty cool. I like that. So moon projector. So I'm already thinking about keywords, search terms, not moon projector, star projector. Next up, let's go and see if somebody's selling star projectors already on Amazon. Well, they do, which is cool. So we know that there are people searching, and look, nobody's got any freaking reviews yet. So all we need to do, Amazon's Choice has got 1 review. So that's shit. So we know we can definitely beat that, which is cool. Let's check another thing though. Let's see if we can use outside traffic sources like Google AdWords. So to do that, you need to have a Google AdWords account, and you need to have, irritatingly, spent $1 on your AdWords account, which you should do anyway, by the way, to access all of the things I'm just about to show you. But it costs you $1, and then you get access to some sexier stuff that you can do in AdWords. You can do this without spending $1, but seriously, spend $1. All right, so we're just going to get search volume and forecasts, star projector, and I just want to see what's the search volume like outside. And we don't want to search in the States. We want to search in, of course, because our target country is Australia. Australia, the country. Interesting that it says there's only 17,000 people we can reach when there's 25 million folks in Australia. That maybe tells us more about the amount of folks using Google than anything else. All right, so what does it tell us here? So we've got some good data here. Well, Star Projector gives us 143 clicks, and this is per month, by the way. That's a lot of clicks, with 1,600 impressions. Well, that is a lot. So that's another thing that stacks up really, really well for us. So now, well, that's pretty cool. And so what have we got so far? We found a supplier. We've got this guy, not the biscuit company. We've got a supplier who we know is interested in selling their products because they've gone to a bloody trade fair to try and sell them. So they will be delighted to get a wholesale account set up for you. You've already got a product. Admittedly, it's a bit of a weird product for a dad's birthday present, but still, the numbers do stack up for the product in general. So maybe it's not necessarily good for a old man present, but who knows? Certainly though, for kids and things like that, it does stack up. Shitty competition on Amazon.com.au, good search volume according to merchant words on Amazon.com.au, and we can buy traffic cheaply and in sufficient numbers of quantity to make outside traffic interesting. And with Christmas coming up, holy dooly, we get the quadfecta. Is that even a word? I don't even know if that's a word. But that gives you, I think, a very simple way of finding all the products you could ever want to sell on Amazon. Anybody that struggles with what to sell on Amazon, that's a simple strategy for you. And then the other thing you would do as well is I would definitely go to, once you've found out how much you can source the product for in Australia, then of course you want to run the numbers on it and make sure the numbers stack up for you. But that gives you a very easy way to find products to sell on Amazon. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.